Annemiek ter Heijne investigates a new method to produce electricity from wastewater. She uses bacteria as battery chargers.
In a wastewater treatment plant like this, the wastewater of the whole city is collected. And what is currently done is that a lot of energy is required to clean this wastewater, because oxygen is pumped into the wastewater to clean it. We are looking at a completely new technology where we actually use the energy that is still present in the waste in the form of organic components. And we can recover this energy in the form of electricity. The secret lies in these little granules.
In the wastewater treatment process, bacteria take care of cleaning the pollution in the wastewater. During this process, the bacteria produce electrons. Ter Heijne and her research group have developed a method to harvest these electrons and thereby generate electricity.
These are activated carbon granules. Imagine that this is such a granule. Microorganisms that are naturally present in the wastewater, they will grow on such an activated carbon granule. And when we feed these microorganisms with wastewater, they will convert the wastewater into CO2 and electrons. And the electrons will be stored inside this granule. Now we can use these small granules in a bigger reactor system. So we have a column that we fill with these granules. We feed wastewater to this column, and this comes out as clean water. So on its way, the wastewater is cleaned and electrons are stored in the granules. Then, of course, we want to harvest this electricity, and therefore we need a second system, which is our discharge system. And what we do is we make a connection from our reactor to the discharge systems. The charged particles will flow through this system. And here is our discharge cell, which basically contains 2 electrodes where the electricity is produced.
When measured at a small scale, only 1 granule, the researchers found that a lot of electricity can be stored this way. A small reactor has been built and proved that the principle is working. The challenge is to make the process faster and more efficient.
We believe that we can go to a completely new reactor design in which we can recover electricity from wastewater in a very efficient way. And if we can do this, our wastewater treatment plants don't need energy anymore to clean the wastewater, but we can actually clean the wastewater and recover electricity at the same time.